Okay, so today we are talking about the dissection of the heart and its anatomy and what they are and what we learned. So I'll take my heart. The first step in the dissection is to identify all the major regions. So we start off with, this is the anterior view of the heart. This is the base. Here's the aorta. Here is the cephalotic artery right up here. And then if you go down a little bit, here's a superior vena cava right back here. And then we have the right auricle. It's like a crack that goes down right around here. And then the other main region is the apex of the heart, which is the pointy, kind of the pointy part down here. And this is mainly made up of the left ventricle's muscles. Right away, when we open the heart, you can notice that the left ventricle, which is right over here, is a lot thicker than the right one up here. You can feel by squishing, you can feel the walls. This down here is a lot more thick, and the reason being is because the left ventricle pumps blood throughout the whole body, and the right ventricle only pumps it to the lungs. So that's the difference there. Let me look at my notes. Opening the right atrium, which is right up here. We can see that the tricuspid valve, which has 3 cusps up here, they control the blood flow into the right ventricle, which is down here. By cutting into the ventricles, we can see down here the chordae tendineae, which are like the little heartstrings of the heart. It's really cool to see. And then you can see the capillaries that are on them, and they prevent the heart from back flipping on itself, basically, and preventing blood flow when it contracts. Yes. Next, we can trace the blood flow forward. We can find the pulmonary semi-lunar valve, which keeps blood moving toward the lungs and stops it from flowing back onto the left side of the heart. We can open the left atrium, which is up here, and find the bicuspid valve, which has the 2 cusps, not 3. You can tell up here. Now cutting into the left ventricle more down here, again shows us it's thicker, and it shows us the interventricular septum that divides the left and right up here. Yeah. Finally, blood leaves through the aortic semilunar into the aorta, the largest artery, which is the largest artery. Basically our heart. This is the posterior view of the heart. I showed you the anterior view. This is the posterior view with the pulmonary valves right up here. And then we have the superior vena cava, which is like right around here. And we have the inferior vena cava, which is this crack right over here. I think that's it. Back to the anterior side, we have the anterior ventricular, whatever. That is this line right over here. But yeah, doing this dissection, doing this dissection has really helped me see up close and see all the details. Has really gave me a deeper learning and viewpoint of it, and it helps a lot actually to decipher which is which. Like how I know fully now how the blood flow works. It starts with the aorta and it goes to the valves, into the ventricles, and out to the arteries. So it makes it all clear, and to see the actual structures in person is really great. But yeah, thank you.